Upgrading existing facilities like the Two Rivers Elementary School Library to enhance 21st century learning opportunities has been a big part of Natomas Unified's facilities master plan. We want the Two Rivers Library to be a cozy and inviting place where students spend a lot of spare time reading and stretching their imagination. So we added cushion, chairs, and couches. We gave it new paint, new wallpaper, and we created a large lounge area for reading out loud to entire classes. We installed special tables that have charging outlets for laptop computers and can be written upon as classes brainstorm, then can be wiped clean easily. There's an Apple TV for video presentations, and the library's bookshelves have wheels so they can be moved easily to create meeting and collaboration space. The project has made the library more flexible, functional, and comfortable. We're proud of how this project turned out.
We have so much fun when each class comes in for library talk time. They get to sit on comfortable furniture. It's bright and happy. It's a place where kids like to come and use their Chromebooks, even curl up with a good book in a comfortable spot.
The new library has been updated. It's very cool and encourages me to read more.
I like the new colors in the library. It makes my classmates feel comfortable and make it like home.
What I like about the library is that when Miss Ripley reads it to us, the cushions are really comfortable, and the chairs that we sit on, it's comfortable more than the floor.
The tables are more useful because you can charge your Chromebook, or after school you're able to charge your phone.
When we began designing the project for our library, we wanted to make sure it was a place that students continued to love to be. And we wanted to make it an even more comfortable place. Our students love coming to the library even more. They spend recesses here, they come here after school. It's always wonderful to have students in a place with books.
Thanks for supporting our school.